me to go. I'm due like next week.
Oh,
Yeah, she checked me yesterday, but I'm supposed to be induced or due April 20th, but like I've been experiencing like severe back pain contractions, yes, since yesterday. And it started again since 6 a.m. in the morning, and it's to the point where I can't do it. I can't do it anymore. Well, it literally is. It doesn't go. It doesn't come and go. It's just there since 6 a.m. in the morning. I lost my mucus plug, and then just like a little bit of spotting. But the doctor told me like I would see spotting because she checked me yesterday to see if I was dilated. Okay.
Girl, babe. Think so?
Look at my lane here.
Right. Babe, go, babe, go, babe. How long you think till he comes?
Today.
Tonight.
Tonight? What time is it right now?
It's 4:08.
It's 4:08. It's crazy. Soon we'll get to be holding him. Like, how you feel? 1 out of 10.
15.
Pain?
I want to curl up like in a little ball like Sonic.
Yeah.
The Hedgehog.
How you feel, Monk?
Good.
You excited, kid?
Mhm.
You excited, Monk?
Absolutely.
Gang.
Little ant on the way, man. Go, baby.
I give it like
2 hours.
Yeah.
probably around the time Evie was born. 11-ish
Yeah.
p.m. If that.
I don't even know if she's.
He
pretty
might
much
come
10
sooner
minutes
than
apart.
that.
Oh, that's a bad one. Effie, take the neck from her. She's about
I could see her stomach like
hardening, right?
crazy. How's your back feel?
Horrible.
For real?
Is it really? It's like, I'm scared.
100%. 100%.
Imagine I was like, this is a baby, and they took us all in.
Your back hurts?
Yeah.
1 out of 10 pain. How much?
6.
Going in.
Contracting. I feel like there's like a balloon in my stomach.
Think her water broke. We don't know. So we're here. About to check it out right now. Let y'all know. They got us in the room. You think he coming right now or no? I mean, they brought us to the room, so I don't know, bro. Is Fat Man gonna be in there later? Look at his bed.
Weird. Oh my god. Look, it shows you the colored poop. Okay.
Shower lit. Shit up.
Okay, I'm gonna see.
Let's see where it goes. Let's see. Hopefully he come today. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna keep y'all in tune for sure, for sure. So he coming?
Coming soon.
He's coming soon. He'll be here later today. They just hit us with the news. He will be here later today. Today he will be here. So stay tuned. And I will definitely let you guys know when he comes.
Sure you don't want anything?
No, I'm good. Just waiting. What time is it right now? 1:17. He's not coming till like 1 in the morning. So we finna be here all day. But he's gonna be in here soon though. Like think about it, in a couple hours he's literally gonna be in there.
I know, and he doesn't leave. So
His grave was outside of the graveyard. That's an indication of suicide.
I know. I have a question. Would I just change into that gown right there because I feel so uncomfortable just not having any pants on?
Yeah, I'll help you figure this. Let's let this run in first.
Yeah.
Then I'll help you get, and you can walk around a little with the monitor on. No, you can't take the monitor off.
Okay.
So after this is in, we'll get comfortable.
That's why Central contains 14 key nutrients to help feed your cells, nourishing your body inside and out, so you can focus on what matters most. Central, feed your cells, fuel your life.
If you have moderate to severe plaque psoriasis, wigs don't have to be.
I'm back in the hospital, y'all. I got our bags. I got Bae some food. I'm back in the hospital now to see how everything's going. Let's go. McDonald's, feel me? Again, everything ready. What time is it? 7:41. He's still not here. Fat man is still not here. He's coming though. We still here. How you feeling, babe?
I feel like I want to push this baby out already.
I know. I feel her pain. Literally just patiently waiting.
I'm gonna eat nuggets.
Fat girl. Literally nothing else to do right now. Just wait. Been here since 11. It's like about to be 8 on it. Crazy.
They're gonna start the IV soon, and then we just wait for like another couple hours, and then he's gonna be here.
It's a waiting game. Time is it now, babe? 9? You in pain, babe?
Yeah.
She handling though. It's 9. He's still not here. He's coming though. Contractions are getting real. He's healthy though. Doctor saying everything good. Think he's coming soon?
Yeah, I hope. Just want this to be over.
It's so bad. Soon. You having them like every couple minutes type? Yeah. Who's Gucci, y'all? So it's 9 o'clock the next morning. No sleep yet. 9 o'clock the next morning. Son is still not here. He's coming soon though. Let's go check out Shorty. See how she's doing, how she feeling. Let's go. They got you on hella machines. How is it raining and snowing right now? It's about to be May. Crazy. Yo, it's 10:03. They brought us down to the operating room. She's gonna get a C-section. It's 10 o'clock. You should be here by noon. These past 2 days have been crazy, but a blessing, and I highly believe in everything that's meant to be, you feel me? So they got me in this room right now. A little tight ass room. Being patient, praying. Everything goes good while she's in there in the surgery. So hopefully in 1 hour, yo, this is the last stretch. In 1 hour, he should be here. So I'll let y'all know. Keep us in your prayers. Let's go. I know you're gonna be watching this soon, babe. After I upload it and everything. I just want you to know how proud I am of you, how much I love you, how much I'm riding with you. I want you to know I got your back to the end. I'm right here. I ain't get no sleep for you. That's how you know I love you, babe. And like I said, I want you to know how proud I am of you, how strong you are. You gotta know that. How you feeling? It's here. Feeling all right? Yeah. He's here. He's here. You're so handsome. I love you, Papa. So cute. Look at you. I love you. I'll be able to carry you. I've been waiting to say all these months.
20 inches. The grams. 3,200. Even. 0.9, right? Yep. Okay.
Here, y'all. Such a blessing. We did it, y'all. He was born successful, blessed, happy. He's here. He's upstairs eating right now. I'm gonna go check on my daughter, see how she's doing, check on my mom. But big shout out to all the doctors and the nurses who helped deliver this beautiful baby boy. Healthy, safe. I thank God for having him be born healthy. I couldn't be more thankful. I'll tune back in with you guys soon. Just got home. Don't mind me. I'm dead, like a little emotional because I just got home and no one's here yet. My girl's still at the hospital with the baby. My daughter's not here. And I just get home and I'm like, yo, I just had my first son. Like, I get to teach him everything that I wasn't taught, you know? Like, I get a second chance at life. With my daughter, it was like, that was my first child, my first baby girl. Like, she really taught me how to treat a woman. Gave me, like, the power to, like, change as a man. But my son, I get to teach him everything. I get to show him from all the mistakes that I did wrong. Like, I just feel a second chance at life. Like, I'm so blessed. I thank God so much for this situation. Words couldn't even explain. Like, 29th, 121, his first day. Sleep though.
When he opened the box, the EMF meter actually.
How you feeling?
Stopped.
Good.
Good.
Oh, baby, you messed up.
Why?
It's April 19th.
Oh, April 19th. That's a 29. I'm taking, but I still showed this. So there is it. April 19th. See, that's why I love her.
Energy, and so whoever
Hi, little
prepared this box
baby.
probably put it in there.
He's out.
Whatever it was.
Out. At least he got here healthy. That's all I care.
The big baby.
If this divot box is legit, and
I wonder how long we gotta be here though.
was used in the capturing and subduing.
How long you think they're gonna keep us?
The box itself is just a vessel, and the wax was used to seal.
5?
But soon after opening the box, strange things started to occur in the room. A plaque on his wall started to move.
He's jumping, right?
It's always been on right there.
I'm gonna ask the doctors again. It was like,
The air conditioning was off in my house. Reason that thing should have been moving. I started getting extremely uncomfortable at that point. Suddenly, there was no noise. Finally, the dogs were captivated by something heard but unseen off screen as the radio interference continued.
Good morning.
Dogs in this room kind of cower around and they kind of.
He's eating a lot right now.
fat boy, how much has he eaten?
Man past 15.
Really?
He still wants it.
Give him up to a dub, but after that, I just, cause I don't want them to tell me nothing, but at home we'll just do us.
Let me see. Almost 20.
Cause it's just a waste of milk just to like throw it out after.
I know.
Good job, babies. Good job, dadas. My God, babes. He did like 16.
Bro.
Fat boy. Y que no me digan nada. 747.
He's picking his head up already? That's crazy.
My mom was telling me that she was telling my aunt that he's already opening his eyes, and my aunt's like, no way. Like, he's like literally a day old. Like, how is he opening his eyes?
I'm saying, he's picking his head up and everything. That's crazy.
He started at 7:30. 7:37.
37. Alright, y'all, it's like 2 a.m. Came to the house for the night. I'm getting the house ready, just cleaning it up, getting his room ready. He is coming home tomorrow. He will be home. I thank y'all for tuning in to my life. I told you guys I was going to have you tuned in to everything I got going on, and I meant it. So if you watching this and you rocking with me, you family. So you guys deserve to be a part of this. So thank you. And I just want to thank God, really, overall, for making this happen and having my son here, healthy and alive. I'm just blessed and thankful, and my daughter and just everything. I'm just super thankful for everything, and I really do thank God for this, and my supporters and my family for motivating me and keeping me strong, and my girl, just everything, man. I couldn't be more thankful. I can't wait for my son to come home. We've been waiting for this for 9 months, so you know, it's been a rough couple days for sure. I could say that. I'm exhausted. I know my girl is exhausted, but wouldn't change nothing, man. Like, I wouldn't. It was all worth it. Every single second, not do it again. You feel me? So, bro, I'm going back to the hospital for the last day. Let's see how it goes. I love y'all. I'm out for the night, though.
It still amaze me. All my dreams are starting to come real. This shit is crazy. I've been flexing on the ones who doubted, try to play me. You see the tables turned, they ain't crazy. They said my dreams weren't real, I was crazy.
First song ever.
Maybe I'm psycho, can't save me. I do not care if you hate me. Turned off this gas, I'm too wavy.
Pretty soon he's gonna be in the backseat
I
bobbing
know,
to
just
it.
like Evie.
I just ran up that check, ayy. Pray that God bless in the chat, ayy. Cause I'm too stuck in my trap ways. It still amaze me. All my dreams are starting to come real. This shit is crazy.
125, 420. I was tuned in with y'all last night. I told you I was coming back in the morning. I'm back in the morning. He's doing good. We're going home today. I'm gonna miss the food though. I'm not gonna miss the food though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna miss the food.
It was decent, I ain't gonna lie to
Yeah,
you.
you gotta be
It
grateful.
was decent. Thankful. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. My body is still sore. Can't even imagine how Babe feels. Fat man over there in the corner. We ready to go home. Like I said, I'm thankful for the hospital, but crib's ready. House is clean. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all on the way out. Tool. Just put him in the car seat. Where we going, babe?
Oh my.
We out. We did it. Mission complete. He is in the car seat, ready to go.
He better knock out. Quarantine season, so you already know. He has to be super covered.
It's been a long journey. It's been a blessed journey. I'm super thankful. I appreciate y'all tuning in, watching from beginning to end. Shout out to Bae for making it happen. Shout out to the doctors and the nurses. Shout out to God for bringing a blessed baby to this earth.
Shout out to Bubba for being amazing.
Shout out to me. They already know the vibes. But I genuinely thank y'all and love y'all. So let's go! And we got Fat Kid in the back seat. Bae in the back seat. I appreciate the hospital again for showing mad love. But we have a home to go to. Another child to get to. So I'm super excited. I'll probably shoot like a little bit when I get to the crib, showing like his reaction. And then I'm gonna do another video later of his sister meeting him for the first time. So I'm super excited. So let these memories begin. Let's get it. Officially at the crib. No more hospital. He is home. I'm so happy. Again, thankful. Look at him. he's crying. Thank you all again for being a part of this. Shout out to everybody who's been watching since the beginning. Give it a thumbs up if you're happy that he's here. Again, I said it 100 times, but I want to thank God, the nurses, all the doctors. Shout out to my girl, my brother, my mom, my daughter, everyone, my whole family. I love y'all. Thank you for the support. Again, blessed, thankful, grateful. Thank you for tuning in to this video. I'm super thankful. It's been a long road, but we're here and we got much more to come. My channel is your channel. Let's go.